What happens when a high school student goes head-to-head with one of the greatest chess players of all time, Magnus Carlsen? The outcome might surprise you. Watch to find out. The dominance of Magnus Carlsen. Magnus Carlsen was about to make history by winning his 4th World Rapid Championship. He had already defeated top players like Alireza Fiorza and Jan Krzysztof Duda in the semifinals, and was placed number 1 in the tournament with an impressive 7.5 out of 9. Carlsen's domination throughout all of his matches made him nearly unbeatable, and it seemed like he was going to win his 4th championship with ease. Carlsen is widely regarded as the greatest chess player of all time. He became the world champion in 2013 and has held the title ever since. He has won numerous championships and has consistently been the highest-rated player in the world for over a decade. His style of play is characterized by his ability to find simple and practical moves that lead to a winning position. The rise of Abdusattorov Nodibrik. However, there was another player in the tournament who was completely destroying his opponents, and that was Abdusattorov Nodibrik, a 17-year-old super talent. Nodibrik was an absolute grandmaster murderer, having defeated top 10 chance juggernauts such as Levan Aronian and Fabiano Caruana. He was not just playing, he was out for blood. Nodibrik was born in Uzbekistan and began playing chess at the age of 6. He quickly showed his talent and became a grandmaster at the age of 14. This made him the second youngest grandmaster in history at the time. He has since become a rising star in the world of chess, with many experts predicting that he will soon become one of the world's top players. Magnus Carlsen underestimated Nodibrik. In the final round of the tournament, Nodibrik faced off against Magnus Carlsen. Magnus was no stranger to being a super talent, having defeated Anatoly Karpov at the incredible age of 13. However, Magnus underestimated just how good Nodibrik was. At the start of the match, Nodibrik made a move that Magnus spent 20 seconds thinking about before responding. It became clear that Magnus was in for a tough game. The game turned into an English opening with white pawns on c4 and e4 and black knights on c6 and f6. Magnus offered a queen trade on f6, but Nodibrik declined. Magnus made a move to attack, but Nodibrik defended well. The game was traded off into a position where all material was equal, but Nodibrik had a passed pawn on h2, which was very dangerous. Magnus needed to make sure Nodibrik's pawn could not be promoted, or he would be in a losing position. Magnus played knight g5, forking white's queen and king, forcing a bishop and knight trade. This made it easier for Magnus to stop Nodibrik's pawn, as his bishop wouldn't be there to help out. Nodibrik checked Magnus, and while Magnus didn't seem too happy about it, the game was still completely drawn. However, Magnus made a crucial mistake by moving his pawn up 1 square, allowing Nodibrik to play a devastating move queen to d2. Magnus resigned instantly as Nodibrik had forced a queen trade, which after trading off, would allow his pawn to promote to a brand new queen, wrecking Magnus's chances of winning the 2021 World Championship. The aftermath. Nodibrik's victory marked a significant upset in the world of chess. The chess community was in awe of the young player's talent and the way he outplayed the greatest player of all time. Nodibrik became the first player in history to defeat Carlsen in a classic game since 2015. It was a historic moment that showed the world that there were new rising stars in the world of chess. For Nodibrik, winning the World Rapid Championship was a dream come true. He had worked hard for years, and his victory was a accumulation of his efforts. He had defeated some of the world's best players, including Carlsen, and had proven that he had what it took to be a champion. He became an inspiration for young chess players all over the world, showing them that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.